Hi there, students. Void, void. A verb, an adjective, and a noun. Okay, to me the first word meaning that comes to mind with void is an empty space with nothing in it. Yeah, the space between galaxies is enormous. There is this enormous void, just an empty space with nothing inside. And then you can use this metaphorically to say that somebody is unhappy because they don't have something they want. After his mother's death, he felt a void in his life. Some people try to fill the void in their lives by shopping and consumerism, but that doesn't fill the void. So a void, a large hole, a large empty space. Then we can also use void as a verb, to void, or as an adjective. The lawyers voided the contract. They declared that the contract was void. It had no legal authority. It wasn't acceptable. Yeah, so they declared the contract null and void. I'm going to do a null or nullify video as well. Null and void, not valid. This contract was null and void. It didn't apply. You can also say to be void of something, without lacking. So he is completely void of humour. Yeah, he has no humour at all. He's completely void of charm. Notice devoid of, not having. Yeah. As a singer, he's completely void of talent. Yeah. Okay, to void something, as I said, to remove the legal force of something, of an agreement or something like that, having no authority. Okay, so if you describe a feeling as void or a situation, it seems empty because there's nothing inside it. Yeah, he felt an aching void of loneliness inside him. Yeah. After his death, the world of athletics felt a void that could never be filled. Yeah, a void, a large, frightening space. Yeah, he stared into this chasm. He stared into the void. I think also sometimes they use void metaphorically to talk about death. On the eve of the battle, he stared into the void and thought about his mortality. Okay, so this big empty space, maybe the emptiness of death. A contract can be void or null and void. The elections were declared null and void because there was a lot of cheating going on. Yeah, they were invalid. Yeah, to be void of something. Here it's an adjective, not to happen. He is completely void of empathy for other people. Yeah. To void, to empty as well. I guess you could say he voided himself behind a tree. Probably you could. Okay, so void, without any contents, empty, not legally binding. Void of, not having. Yeah. Note, this is normally post-positive, void of something. Void, having no effect, something that's useless. So all his efforts were void. They were voided. If you're playing cards and you don't have a particular suit, you have a void in hearts, for example. The desert sometimes is referred to as a huge void, but in fact the desert is full of life. Yeah. The void of loneliness. Yeah. Something to make something void, to make it ineffective, to make it invalid. Yeah. Okay, so void. Formality. To void, avoid. I think this I'm going to give a 6 in formality. It sounds a bit literary. You could just about use it in informally, but I think probably better empty, or to empty, or having nothing in it. Yeah, better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, and then as to origin, I think it comes to us through French from Latin, vulgar Latin vocitus, emptied from vacuous in Latin, meaning empty. So there you go, void. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you enjoyed void, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Void.